Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tia Shardaret, California. Hope you all are doing well. We are also doing good. Today we are making a deliciously creamy dessert without refined sugar or refined grains. We are making very healthy fox nuts or Makhana Kheer today. But here is something even more fascinating. Did you know this humble fox nuts or makhana once was a royal delicacy? Eaten by the kings for their energy and longevity. Makhana or fox nuts has been cultivated in India for over 2000 years, where farmers developed a unique method to cultivate and pop the seeds. It was also a staple food for monks who believed foxnut helped with mental clarity and longevity. Today, this ancient food has gone from being a royal treat to a global superfood for its rich antioxidants, high fiber, and protein content. Ayurveda praises makhana for being cooling, light on digestion, and rich in nutrients, which is why it was often included in fasting meals. Thanks to modern civilization, it is easily available everywhere now. 100 grams makhana cost here 276 Indian rupees. And now we are going to turn this into delicious, creamy kheer. Are you ready? And here is everything you need for the kheer. Makhana is great for digestion, rich in protein and calcium. It also contains antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, which protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Jaggery or gur, a natural sweetener packed with iron and antioxidants. I am using full-fat milk, which is the classic base for kheer. Saffron and cardamom boosts aroma and taste. Nuts for crunch and nutrition. Rose petals for garnishing. Clarified butter or ghee. Alright, now let's get cooking. This recipe is super simple and can make any festival extra special. First, heat a pan, add a teaspoon of ghee and roast the makhanas for 3 to 4 minutes or until they get crisp. If you ever made roasted makhana at home, you know how crispy they get. But did you know that roasting helped them to bring out their nutty flavor? Well, that crunch said, it's ready now. Now we are going to keep it aside. Now we are going to boil our milk. I have taken 2 liters of full fat cream milk and I will reduce it to 1 liter. Now I am going to add the roasted makhana into the boiled milk. And now we need to add our generous love and patience into the cooking. We need to cook it in a very low flame until it gets thickened. Here is a trick that I follow every time. I keep aside 1 handful of makhana and coarsely smash them with the help of my hand, and then I add it into the milk. It helps to thicken the milk little faster. Saffron not only adds the beautiful color, but it is also packed with antioxidants. Adding a pinch of beautiful saffron now. See, already the color is changing. Look guys, the milk has already reduced in its volume. I like to add freshly crushed cardamom in my kheer. Now we mix everything gently, letting the makhana soak up the rich flavors of milk, saffron and cardamom. Cooking kheer isn't just about the ingredients, it's about patience, about letting time to do its own magic. Always add the jaggery after turning off the heat to prevent curdling. My kitchen is so aromatic right now. The flavor of kheer. It's a mixed flavor of saffron, cardamom, and now this nourishing or jaggery added the extra magic. Our kheer is completely ready now. We will rest it for 5 minutes so that all the jaggery can melt. Alright, now the best part, taste test. I wish I could share this right now with you guys. Honestly, I am a kheer lover. I love any kind of kheer. And this dessert perfectly hit that spot. This is creamy, delicious and so comforting. Very healthy too. And now it's your turn to try this royal dessert. When are you making this? For Holi, Janmashtami, Eid or any other special occasion? Trust me, you don't need any occasion to make this dessert. You can make this anytime for a guilt-free sweet craving. If you make this, share the picture with me and tag me in the social media. Here are my social media handles. Make a big batch and store it in the refrigerator. It even gets more tastier after that. Hey guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipe. I have more exciting recipes coming up, so hit that bell icon and stay updated. See you in the next one. Happy cooking and happy eating! And if you are a cake lover, you can watch my healthy chocolate cake recipe video next. Please press the link popping up on your screen now. Bye.